In this video, I will show you how to generate a scatter plot and how to compute correlation coefficients in SPSS. In this data set, we have a set of 15 students for whom we recorded their GPA and their scores on the motivation scale. In this case, scores on the motivation scale can range from 0 to 100, where higher scores represent higher achievement motivation. To generate a scatter plot, we can go to the Graphs menu, click on Chart Builder, and let's put GPA on the x-axis and motivation on the y-axis. But we don't want a line graph, we want a scatter plot. So let's select Scatter from this list, and then just click and drag the simple scatter plot in this window. And now we can just click OK. And in the output window, we have a scatter plot of the two variables. We have GPA on the x-axis, motivation on the y-axis. We can see that the scatter plot describes a linear positive relationship between the two variables. This relationship seems to be very strong, but to have more evidence to support that conclusion, we should compute a correlation coefficient. To do that, we go to the Analyze menu, click on Correlate, and then Bivariate, because we have two variables. And from the list of variables, we select GPA and motivation. So we just select them and click on this arrow. Make sure that the box for the Pearson correlation coefficient is checked, and then click OK. In this output window, we have the Pearson correlation between motivation and GPA. This is a matrix, so the correlation coefficient is listed twice. In the second row, we have the correlation between GPA and motivation, which is exactly the same. And on the diagonal, we have the correlation between motivation and motivation, which is obviously 1, and GPA, which is obviously 1. The probability of that this relationship is equal to 0 is less than 0.05, so it's actually almost equal to 0. So the relationship is significant, and the correlation coefficient is 0.852, which is a very strong correlation.